Hey guys, what's up? So I just downloaded the May 17th update, so it's the latest update that we've got. I know that the I think it's the April 24th update got cancelled essentially a week or two afterwards. I think a few people were having issues, and then Hyundai pulled the update for the Ioniq 5 updates. So I've downloaded it and we're going to put it in. I'm going to do another video on the updates. The updates are really the same. I mean, you download the update, you put the flash drive into the USB port and it does update. I do it while the car's off, while I'm away. I don't want to sit around and wait for it to update. But the cool thing is just to see if there's any new features. So I don't know with this one. I know on the April 24th update I had to install the March update before I could do the April update. I'm not too sure if they've solved that, if you have to do the March update before you can do this May update. But we'll see. If it forces you to do the March update before this one, do the update, pull USB out, put it back in again, and it should prompt you to do the latest update, the May 17th 2023 update. So let's do it and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so in the front, put the USB in, and USB stick goes in. Let's see, it's reading. Yeah, so picking up the 230515. We're going to update after the vehicle is turned off. We're going to say okay, and it's scheduled. Let me say okay. We're on 69%. I've just taken the car off level 2 charging. Let's say okay, and we'll check in later. Right, so I just got an email saying that the Blue Link has been successfully updated or registered. So I've popped down to the car to see whether the update is done, and it has. So it's been just shy of half an hour, I think. Let's see what's cooking on this new update. Okay, so there we go. So we've installed the 230517. Let's go into details. Okay, so they've started updating this, which is pretty cool. The first couple updates last year, they just had a generic update. Now you can see. So okay, so we've got new and improved sounds of nature. That's pretty cool. Ooh, the new EV theme first applied to Ioniq 5 can now use in all electric vehicles. Okay, so that's old. One thing I haven't been able to do, we've got a Kona 2021 Kona EV that preferred the non-sat-nav one. We haven't been able to get the updates for that though. It'd be cool to have this charging screen because the charging on there is very outdated. Okay, so you've got some new French and Spanish recognition. Set charging, setting, changing homework. Added some voice commands. Some more North American radio display. I think they changed this in the last update actually. So they might have just updated this from the last update. Just added some new features, I suppose. But that's it for here. Setup, general. Okay, so we've just updated it to the 22nd of May. So we've got the 230517, that firmware. Not the firmware updated on the last one, but here's all the different ones. So that's it for here. Cool. So that's it for this update. So that's the May 230517 to the 17th of May update. If there's anything else you wanted to know, pop a comment in the comment section below. Otherwise, give me a thumbs up. But until the next one, ciao.